Hello everyone and welcome to my DIY spa pamper night routine for the winter. I'm going to show you guys how to spruce up your spa night at home for under $25 using Dollar Tree items and some snacks. And also I'm going to teach you guys how to make this bomb detox tea and do your own professional nails. So starting with the green tea. Green tea is a natural detox beverage anyway, so when you add cucumbers, which are really good for detoxing, it makes a really good soothing beverage. It's so good, and if you like fruity things, it actually tastes fruity, especially with the cucumbers. So I'm going to slice a few slices of cucumbers for the drink, and also 2 thinner pieces for my mask that I'm going to do later on. So before my mask, I'm going to clean my skin with the Garnier Fructis water. It's basically a cleansing water, and it does a great job of even getting off oils, which is so hard to get out of your skin. So after I do that, I'm going to be extra for a few seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my $2 mask from Shea Moisture. It's an African black soap mud mask with tea tree oil, which is good for acne and old scars. And my skin is improving a bit, but I did have a breakout on the side there, so I needed this mud mask. You can get this mud mask from Walmart or Walgreens or CVS. And when I apply it, I just make sure that I'm getting all of my face, like even, like the chin area and especially my T-zone. So I'm just going to leave this on during my whole bath, and then of course the cucumbers. But then I realized, like, how can I sit up in a tub with the cucumbers on? So yeah. So I'm going to add rosemary to my bath water. Rosemary is really good for skin cleansing, so I'm going to do this for my body, So especially if you have body acne. And I'm also going to add bubble bath. The rosemary I got for about $2 at Kroger, and this bubble bath was $1 from Dollar Tree, and they had different kinds. So this is a bath bomb from Pink, which was $6. They also sell these at Walmart, and candles from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna light some candles and set the aroma. And also setting candles will make it smell so much better, and it just basically makes you feel like you're at a real spa. And this is what it looks like. I added some Dollar Tree vases and flowers from Dollar Tree just to make it feel nice. And I also have a DIY stand that I made on my DIY playlist for my magazines and my speaker for my iPhone. And of course, I had to make some quick snacks, some healthy and unhealthy, some strawberry Twinkies and caramel popcorn with almonds and apples, and come on. Snacks, Ebony and Essence and Ulta, so relaxing. Now back to this Twinkie. I know that these are unhealthy, but they're so good, so good. And of course my detox water for a nice chill spa night. As you can see, I'm enjoying my spa night. I hope that you guys enjoy your spa nights. This is not the end of the video, but I'm just saying. So of course, you have to enjoy your snacks and everything. Of course, you can listen to music, but sometimes when I'm stressed, I choose my Bible app. It gives me verses of the day and also my daily plans that I chose. There's so many of them, and these are just a couple that I like to go over to clear my mind. And this is a really cool app that you can do with your friends or by yourself, or you can challenge your Facebook friends. And it just gives you a daily devotional and some scriptures that are complimentary. So it's not just Bible, it's definitely more so like counseling mixed with Bible, and that's what I love. So now we're moving on to the pedicure. Everything is from Dollar Tree. As I explained earlier, this is a grooming kit and a pumice stone. Or you can get the pumice scrub, the scrubbers or whatever for your callus. So I'm just soaking my feet in a dish pan, which I bought specifically for this tutorial. Okay, I'm not nasty, but yeah, so I'm just going to take off my old polish, and then I'm going to add some lotion and massage my feet, basically let them soak before I add my polish. And with this cuticle tool, I'm just removing any stray cuticle pieces just to clean up my nail bed. Now I'm going to give a quick massage for my feet, and this lotion smells so good at the beach by Bath & Body Works, and of course it makes them look less ashy. And so I'm going to go ahead and polish. And my feet feel so much better. My skin looks so much better and moisturized, and especially my heels. Like, they're not crusty anymore, cutting up my sheets. And yeah, really cheap and easy. So moving on to the acrylic nails. This is the kit that I bought. It's really not all together. I just bought the acrylic and the powder together, which was only like $6. But the whole set of acrylic and stuff like that is about $7 from Walmart. But the polishes came separately, of course, and those little toe separators. So I'm just cleaning up my nails, filing them and clipping them down, and then I'm going to apply the acrylic. And I do have a thorough tutorial. What is that? I have a thorough tutorial on how to do your nails at home with acrylic, so make sure you check out those videos. I'll try to link it in the description box. But yeah, this is just basically all I'm doing. This time is my first time actually doing like an overlay, just basically applying it over my real nails instead of using like the tips. So if you're interested in using tips and having the coffin shape and all of that, you can check out those videos. But this is just a quick and simple video on, well, quick and simple nail art. And also make sure that you clean up any excess with the brush, because it's going to dry quickly and hard. And after that, this is how it looks. And they dry quickly. And now I'm going to go ahead and file them, and then go ahead and add the polish. And that's basically it. Like, this is a $30 job right here for $7. Super cute. Comment below if you like this pink polish. And of course, I didn't clean up at the end. I should have used acetone. So if you want to clean up, like, any of those extra parts that I should have, you can do that. And this is basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thumbs up and comment in the comment section if you enjoyed it, or if you're going to try it.